Hello, class of EDUU 527. My name is Giselle Garcia, and this is my journal number 6 for the course. In this week's journal, I will be discussing the purpose of SDAIE and the components. I will also talk about the difference between SDAIE and ELD instruction. I will talk about the important steps to consider when planning SDAIE lessons and how it might look like in my own classroom. Based on Nicolaisen, the purpose of SDAIE is for English learners, students to receive an equal access to standard curriculum. This is because the main purpose of SDAIE strategies is to provide academic content that is understandable for students. SDAIE also helps students acquire progress towards their oral fluency. There are 6 components of SDAIE. The first one is tapping into prior knowledge. Number 2 is contextualizing the lesson in a concrete visual way, which also provides scaffolding. Number 3, it's to provide a positive, effective domain. Number 4 is to teach study skills. Number 5 is to modify the use of the material, differentiate it. And number 6 is to use performance assessments that assess students' progress towards their standards. SDAIE is mainly focused on English dominant. Although students might use primary language, SDAIE also focuses on academic content and scaffolds key concepts, while ELD instruction is targeted for ELL students based on English language proficiency. It develops all 4 strands: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Some important steps to consider when planning a SDAIE lesson include academic language, active learning, integrating strategies like realia, visuals, and graphic organizers. SDAIE instruction in my classroom looks like providing instruction that will be connecting the lesson with background knowledge to help my students understand the lesson better, using KWL charts to help students through their learning process. I also often pause and check for understanding. I use a voice amplifier and speak slowly and clear, which also helps my students with auditory processing deficiencies, providing one-on-one guidance and modeling as needed. This is all that I have for this week's journal. Thank you.